Hello class 12th. So today we are going to start the formation of differential equation. How we can form the differential equation whenever the general solution of any differential equation is given. And what is the procedure? In this video we will discuss what is the procedure to form a differential equation and what is the order of the differential equation, on which basis we can determine the order of the differential equation. All these things will happen in this lecture video. So let's start the new topic, the formation of differential equation. Formation of differential equation. In this process, the formation of differential equation, you have to general equation is already given. For example, if a family of curve represented as f x y a is equal to 0, means what? Any family of the curve, that is any equation of any curves, just like this indicate this equation contains only one arbitrary constant. I am going to take example of this form y equal to m into x. So what is the procedure to form a differential equation? Differential equation of order will depend upon the number of arbitrary constants present in the given general equation. जनरल सॉल्यूशन में जो भी आपके आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट प्रेजेंट रहेंगे उसी के बेसिस पे हम डिपेंडेंट अपना ऑर्डर डिफाइन करेंगे कि उतने ही ऑर्डर का डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हम फॉर्म करेंगे. सो इन दिस जनरल सॉल्यूशन वी हैव सी ओनली वन आर्बिट्री आर पैरामीटर. This arbitrary constant is known as parameter. So on the basis of this parameter, this differential equation is of order first. So differentiate this given equation with respect to x equal to m. This is the equation number 1. So put this value of this arbitrary constant m in the given origin equation y equal to m at the place of x dy by dx or x dy by dx minus y is equal to 0. This is our required differential equation. So what we have studied from these conditions, when we form our final differential equation, there is no term of arbitrary constant. That means what? According to our definition of differential equation, in the case of differential equation, only dependent variable, independent variable, as well as derivative of dependent variable is present. So in final equation, we have seen that only x and y and dy by dx are present. There is no arbitrary constant in the final differential equation. So इससे हमने समझा क्या? जब हम फाइनल में डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन फॉर्म करेंगे, वहां पे हमारा कोई भी आर्बिट्री कांस्टेंट का टर्म नहीं रहेगा. क्लियर है? Similarly, we can take a case when we get two differential constants. So at that particular case, when a family of curve contains two arbitrary constants f1, x, y, a and b. So as you know, on the basis of number of arbitrary constant or number of parameter, the order of the differential equation is defined, and at the last we eliminate the arbitrary constant and form a differential equation without the parameters. So let's take an example. y equal to a sin x plus b. Y equal to a sin x plus b. In this general solution, we see that there are two parameters a and b is present. So as according to our process, differentiate this given general equation with respect to x and again differentiate. That is, we get a differential equation of order 2 according to the number of parameters present in a given general solution. So y dash, that is differentiating it with respect to its given y dash a sin cos x plus b, and x plus b gives 1. Again differentiating with respect to x, we get y dash equal to a minus sin x plus b, and we get again differentiate this term, we get 1 because differentiation of x with respect to x is 1, and differentiation of this constant will gives equal to 0. And a sin x plus b, we know that the value of a sin x plus b is equal to y. So use this value a sin x plus b from equation 1 in the given expression. We get y dash equal to minus y, or d2y by dx square plus y is equal to 0, and this is the our final differential equation, in which we see that there is no arbitrary constant present in the final differential equation, and the required differential equation is d2y by dx square plus y equal to 0. In the similar way, we can form the any family of curves. To form a differential equation, कोई भी आप फैमिली ऑफ कर्व्स या रहेगा उसके बेसिस पर आप differential equation क्या कर सकते हो, इजीली फॉर्म कर सकते हो. क्लियर है? तो लेट्स स्टार्ट आवर न्यू एक्सरसाइज, दैट इज 9.3, which is depend upon the formation of differential equation. Exercise 9.3. In each of the exercise 1 to 5, form a differential equation representing the given family of curves by eliminating arbitrary constant a and b. The first question is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So let's try to form our new differential equation. Then we see that there are two arbitrary constants, two parameters a and b. So it is clear from the number of parameters the differential equation of this arbitrary given expression is of order 2. So differentiate the given general solution with respect to x. We get 1 by a plus 1 by b dy by dx is equal to 1. 1 by b dy by dx is equal to 1 by a, or dy by dx is equal to minus b by a. In this case, there are two arbitrary constants. So again, differentiating this term with respect to x, we get d2y by dx square is equal to 0, and this is the required check for the differential equation. Because we see that the last term there is no arbitrary constant present. Last term हम देख रहे हैं कोई भी arbitrary constant present नहीं है, इसलिए ये differential equation होगा d2y by dx square, यही हमारा final differential equation होगा. ठीक है, बढ़ते हैं हम अगले क्वेश्चन की तरफ. Question number 2. The family of curve is given that y is equal to a b square minus x square. The number of parameters present in this given expression is a and b, that is 2. So we get to form a differential equation of order 2. So let's differentiate this terms. 2y dy by dx is equal to ab square, that is 0, minus ax square, a 2x, cancel out this 2, we get y dy by dx is equal to x. dy by dx is equal to minus a x by y. So according to our condition, again differentiating these terms, d2y by dx square minus या बाहर ले लो y इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ minus x dy by dx upon y square. वाई स्क्वायर d2y by dx स्क्वायर इक्वल टू माइनस ए वाई प्लस ए एक्स dy by dx. ax dy by dx. Eliminate a from this condition. Y square d2y by dx square is equal to taking a common minus y plus x dy by dx. Y square is equal to d2y by dx square upon minus y plus x dy by dx is equal to a. Now let dy by dx square is equal to p. So put this value of a in the equation number 2. आप इस ऑर्बिटल कांस्टेंट a की वैल्यू जो एक्सप्रेशन आई है आप इसको उठा के इक्वेशन नंबर 2 में पुट कर दो, आप रिक्वायर्ड रिजल्ट गेट कर लो. ठीक है, क्योंकि जब आप यहाँ से a की वैल्यू पुट कर दोगे इस इक्वेशन में सिर्फ x और y के ही टर्म दैट इज इंडिपेंडेंट और डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल के टर्म बचेंगे और ये हमारा टर्म बचेगा नहीं. एंड दिस इज द फाइनल एक्सप्रेशन ऑफ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. So moving forward to our next question. Question number 3. Y is equal to a e to the power 3x plus b e to the power minus 2x. There are two parameters, so we get the differential equation of order 2. So differentiate this term with respect to that is y dash is equal to a e to the power 3x, and when 3x with respect to x we get 3 plus b e to the power minus 2x, and when we get differentiate minus 2x we get minus 2, that is a e to the power 3x 3 minus b e to the power minus 2x into 2 y dash. Now again differentiate y dash equal to एक सेकेंड. This is your equation number 1, this is equation number 2, and now this is the equation number 3. We have to eliminate the arbitrary constant a and b. Now multiply by 2 in equation 1 and then adding in equation 2. Multiply by 2 in equation 1 and added with 2. We get 2y plus y dash is equal to 2a e to the power 3x plus 2b e to the power minus 2x plus 3x minus 2b e to the power minus 2x. We see that 2b e to the power minus 2x minus 2b to the power minus 2x cancel out, and we get 3 plus 2 5a e to the power 3x, or we can eliminate a e to the power 3x is equal to 1 by 5 2y plus yx. This is the equation number 4. देखो मैं यहाँ के बाद रुकता हूँ कुछ टर्म a e to the power 3x हमने एलिमिनेट करा और उसकी वैल्यू 1/5 डिवाइड 2y प्लस माइनस। अब इसी तरीके से आप b e to the power -2x की वैल्यू भी एलिमिनेट करोगे, ठीक है। आपने a e to the power x 3x को एलिमिनेट किया, उसकी वैल्यू आई 2y प्लस माइनस 5। अब इस तरीके से आपको एलिमिनेट करना है 3y को, तो अब क्या करोगे, इसी इक्वेशन 1 में आप 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करो, 3 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो और इक्वेशन 2 से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, तो 3a e to the power 3x और ये होगा -3a e to the power 3x और ये माइनस प्लस 3a e to the power 3x कैंसिल आउट होगा और यहाँ पे d e to the power 3x का टर्म एलिमिनेट होगा, ठीक है। इन द सिंगल वे वी कैन एलिमिनेट द वैल्यू ऑफ e to the power -2x in the form of something, and after getting the value of e to the power -2x and e to the power 3x we get the value of all these things in our required differential equation. Now move forward to next question, that is question number 6. Form a differential equation of the family of circle touching the y-axis at the origin. So according to the condition of given equation, form a differential equation of family of circle touching the y-axis at origin. So the figure is of this condition is formed like this. This is the family of circle plus the y-axis at the origin. 0 is your x-axis and y-axis. So equation of this form, equation of circle can be formed as x minus a square. सर्किल y एक्सिस को 0 पे है, ओरिजिन पे टच कर रहा है, तो y कोऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा, मस्ट बी इक्वल टू 0 प्लस y माइनस 0 स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर, दैट इज a इज द रेडियस एंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ दिस पॉइंट इज a एंड 0, ठीक है। तो जो रिक्वायर्ड हमारा इक्वेशन मिला x माइनस a स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर। नाउ व्हेन वी सी दैट ओनली वन पैरामीटर x minus, sorry, a is only present as a parameter in the given equation, so we get a differential equation of order first. Now differentiating it with respect to x, add 2x minus a plus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. Now x minus a equal to, we can write here minus y dy by dx, 2 को मैंने कॉमन लेकर एलिमिनेट कर दिया, and this is the origin equation, that is x minus a whole square plus y square equal to a square. Now put this value of, from this condition we get eliminate the value of a also, and at the place of x minus a put this quantity, we get y dy by dx, इसका हो जाएगा whole square plus y square, और a की जगह आपने क्या पुट करना है, अगर a को इधर लेके आओ y को इधर लेके आओ, पूरा टर्म प्लस हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा x प्लस y dy by dx का स्क्वायर। देखिए कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक ना हो, इसके वजह से आप dy by dx को एक डिफरेंट पैरामीटर p मान लो, वो ज़्यादा बेहतर होता है। ये हो जाएगा माइनस वाई पी इसका स्क्वायर प्लस वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस वाई पी का स्क्वायर। यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हो कहीं भी कोई भी पैरामीटर आपका प्रेजेंट नहीं है इन द पर्टिकुलर डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, जो हमारा फाइनल इक्वेशन आ रहा है। सो दिस इज द, आफ्टर रीअरेंजिंग दिस इक्वेशन वी गेट आवर रिक्वायर्ड डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन इन विच द फैमिली ऑफ कर्व्स टचिंग द वाई एक्सिस। जो फैमिली ऑफ कर्व्स किसका है, सर्किल का है, ऐसे सर्किल जो वाई एक्सिस को एट द ओरिजिन पे क्या करता है, टच करता है। सो इन दिस वीडियो this is the solution of exercise 9.3, and the remaining questions of this exercise will be discussed in very next video, and till then you have to try to solve remaining questions of exercise 9.3 by yourself. Thank you very much.